Introducing the all-new Honda WR-V, the latest range from Honda. This is the best value SUV in the market, which is stylish, compact, and functional. Perfect for everyday driving. The WR-V has a powerful 1.5-litre iVTEC 4-cylinder engine, powered 118 PS and 142 torque, giving you a smooth, responsive ride, with an excellent fuel efficiency of 16.4 km per litre. The WR-V makes a strong first impression with its bold and sporty design. The aggressive front grille, paired with sleek LED headlights, LED taillights, rugged bumper, and 16-inch rims, gives the WR-V its sporty appeal. Moving on to the interior, the WR-V is built with the latest design styling from Honda, as seen with its modern cockpit, equipped with Honda sensing safety features and all-surround airbags, ensuring a safe ride for your family. The rear cabin boasts a spacious interior with ample legroom, with a rear aircon vent for additional ventilation. The WR-V's large boot capacity of 458 litres is perfect for family outings. Come book now to enjoy these free add-ons exclusively by Leco Auto. Wait no further, call us now.